The young man lost his skull after drinking energy drink. We drink energy drinks all the time. However, many people do not think whether it is good for health or not. However, Austin realized in his heart too terrible the consequences of drinking energy drinks could be. The skull lost became his distorted head. Austin's wife Brianna shared the story on Facebook. Brianna was 9 months pregnant then, and her husband Austin works day and night. They both deal with their confidence as they choose to embark on their play activities. Suddenly, a curse falls on the happy family. Brianna was then at her father's house. One morning, he woke up and found out that Austin had been admitted to the hospital. Doctors said Austin drank too much energy drink to keep himself stress free at work. Excessive toxins can cause brain damage. The hole becomes in the skull. Urgent surgery is required. Austin underwent several surgery for 5 hours straight. But this one-time surgery was not enough to heal Austin. He has to undergo surgery more than once. A lot of skull have to be left out, and that leaves a gap in his skull. Austin has lost half of his skull since his forehead. Half of his head sat down from his forehead, and Austin looked strange. He fell asleep due to illness. Brianna has already given birth at the hospital. Austin returned home from the hospital 2 months after the baby was born, and then the miracle happened. After seeing the child, he started to recover a lot. Now he stands up holding Brianna's hand. He can eat by he can also walk slowly. However, his head is still like that. Brianna is very busy now. She spends her days taking care of her son and husband. His family lives 100 yards away from the energy drink. The lobster weight is 10.5 kg. Really? It's really unbelievable. A lobster weight 10.5 kg. Imagine that. One such shrimp has really been caught. It was likened to a small dinosaur by farm owner Stephen Jordan, not selling or cooking. The 95 years old is interested in displaying this animal in front of the buyer. This lobster weighs 10.5 kg or 23 pounds. Buyers are more likely to take pictures with this shrimp than to see it on the table. So, considering the weight and age of the shrimp, farm owner Stephen Jordan enjoys displaying in front of buyers without selling or cooking it. According to the US news agency CNN, this interesting animal is a seafood company that is interested in keeping its genes alive without cooking. They have donated the shrimp to the aquarium of London, Long Island, even though there is a great opportunity to do it. A child was born in Uber's car, so the newborn was named Uber after birth. However, the mother and child are now healthy, the report said. Meanwhile, according to the Sky News, a man named Krunal Shukla, who migrated to London from Gujarat, India, has been operating Uber there for some time. A few days ago, a pregnant woman named Ada Lugutara took her father and younger sister in her car. Their destination is Thomas Hospital from their home in East London. The woman was basically going to the hospital to have an abortion. But on the way, there was a disaster. After going so far, Ada realized that her child will be born before she reached the hospital. That's what happened later. She gave birth before reaching the hospital. Then came the thought of his name. After being born in Uber, he decided to name the child Uber. Even after the delivery, I was very worried, Ada added, but with the help of Uber driver, the ambulance reached us in a short while. He was later admitted to the hospital, but now there is no reason to fear because now my child and I are perfectly healthy. Meanwhile, the media also talked to the Uber driver. When I got their order, I left to pick them up in a moment, said Krunal Shukla. Then I drive like me, suddenly heard the sound of a newborn crying inside the car. But I did not realize before that she was going to be a mother. If I understood that she would have an abortion in a while, I would have advised to take an ambulance in advance. But it is good to know that now both mother and child are healthy.